Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be checking out this skin and wound cleanser, and Dimora was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now what you're going to get here is an 8-ounce bottle of this cleanser, and in regards to the ingredients in here, primarily going to be purified water, and then some other long names on here. Let's see if I could say this. Undesalamatorpropyl There's 0.1 of it, and then there's some trace ingredients of allantoin. And then it says pH may be adjusted with citric acid. It says also if you need to, go ahead and check out the instructions that are included. Boom, right there are the instructions. In regards to this bottle, you do have this cap on here, which is nice. It is threaded so that you can put it back on there and easily keep this without having to worry about it spilling or anything. And then as always, it does have the safety seal in here whenever you first get this. But overall, right there it is. Skin and wound cleanser from Dimora. If you're interested in it, go ahead and check it out.